Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to apply for the different French universities. I am actually doing my masters in chemistry at Université Paris CITE under MIEM scholarship. So I have been living in France from around 1.5 years. So let's get straight to the topic. So if you want to study abroad but you have no idea how to start, you just need only a laptop and a good internet connection. The French applications are always free. So you do not need to pay anything like for the German universities or US applications, for instance. There are some best universities in Paris, like PSL University, Paris SACLAY University, University of Paris City, where I am studying right now, Sorbonne University, we have École Polytechnique University. There are some other universities like University of Bordeaux, University of Lyon, University of Grenoble Alps. They are outskirts of the Paris. They are in the different they are in the different regions of the France, and these ones they are in the heart of the Paris. Some are in the heart of Paris and some are in the suburbs of Paris. There are two modes to apply. One is from the university portal and the second one is that you can apply from the Campus France website. This is actually for the students who are coming from India. For the applications on the university portal, I have given one example here for the University of Paris SACLAY. It's a very good university. Like if you want to apply in this university, you have to make an account on their university portal. Just create an account like here, and after that you just need to give your login details. After the login, you will have to fill the different you have to fill the application accordingly. You just need to give your CV, your cover letter of recommendation, and after that you just need to submit your application and you will get your results. It depends, the timing depends, like they will let you know when they are going to give you the results. There are other portal where you can apply other than the university portal. It's known as Campus France. This is actually the I would say like the organization where they manage the visa application as well as the applications. So from here you can fill the 7 applications at a time, and it's a very preferred one in my opinion, because here you can directly apply to 7 universities at a time. And also the motivation letter, it doesn't have to be that much long. It's actually very short one. You just need to only write few lines like why you want to join this university, because you are selecting, you are adding your different universities in your basket, like you are ordering some different things from some e-commerce website like Amazon. So it's like that. You just need to select some universities, just add them one by one, and after that you just need to give like a little bit of explanation why you want to join in this particular university and why in this course. So this is going to be very much easy for you to follow this one. So only one thing that I came across here, like this is a little bit ambiguous for me. Like we need to pay here 16,500 rupees for the application fees, and this application fees, when you will get selected, this application fees will be used for your visa as well. So you do not need to apply, you do not need to pay anything for your visa application after. So if you are getting acceptance letter from some university, directly from some university portal, so then after you have to apply for the visa, because everyone has to apply for the visa. So for the visa application you have to pay this application, you have to pay this fee for the visa fee. So it's common for all, whether you are applying under university portal or you are applying through the Campus France portal. Coming to the expenses, it depends upon the type of the university. If you have the public or private university, generally the public universities are quite comparatively cheap. They have the fixed price from the government, like we have 243 euros registration fees, and we have like 92 euros for the what we call the civic registration. So you just have to pay like this much amount, so it's not that much. And for the traveling and visa and other registration expenses, it is around 1500 euros, it more or less. So it's around 1.5 lakh. If you are not getting any scholarship which includes these things, so you have to keep this much amount beforehand. The living expenses, it really depends upon your lifestyle, but generally if you are living in Paris, it's going to be little more expensive than other regions of the France. For accommodation, or like generally, like if you are getting cruise accommodation, then in Paris I would say like 1600 euro
Actually,
is
600.
sufficient, because like 60 to 70% of your expenses is mainly for your accommodation. And for the accommodation also, we are getting like, it's called CAF here. This is actually an allowance from the government, where they will reimburse your rent around 30 to 50%. It really depends upon whether you are a scholarship student and other things. So it really helps a lot. The education system is very efficient here. It's very productive, and it's quite practical oriented. So there are a lot of internships, like you have to, in your course curriculum, there are always some internship that you need to do, that you need to do in order to validate your masters. Actually, like if you are coming after completing your masters, and then you are directly joining what we call here like the M2. This is second year of masters. Like you can directly apply to the second year of masters. And for that, there is in second semester we have a full internship. Like the second semester is fully funded internship. Like it's also funded. The French government will pay you minimum of around like 600 euros per month. So after that, after completing your masters here, there are high chances of that you will get a PhD or even a job. Coming to the scholarships, there are a lot of scholarships that are mainly managed by Campus France. For instance, they give Charpak scholarships. Therefore, the master's program and PhD programs as well. Eiffel scholarships, quite famous scholarship. There are around 400 scholarships. And the Erasmus Mundus, there are a lot of options in there, a lot of programs. You should definitely apply. You should definitely try Erasmus scholarships. And for the university scholarships, even though they do not mostly they do not cover like your travel expenses, but still they have high chances of selection. Like EDX scholarships, MIM, maybe I guess this has been discontinued from this year, but there's a replica one of the same MIM. It's known as Smart Up. It's given by the University of Paris CITE. I have actually added one video on that. You should check that one. In general, I would say like there is always some type of scholarships in every university. Like you just need to check it. Coming to the challenge, the main challenge that we feel here is the French language, because the people do not prefer to speak in English. So for the professors, it's okay, but if you need to do some in your day-to-day life, you need to buy some food, you need to repair something, so it's going to be really tough if you do not know French. So some basic elementary French is a must. And also the education system here is quite tough. It's very hard to pass the exams. Yeah, it really is. And also the food is quite different. Generally, you have to prepare your own food in your kitchen. So if you have any further questions, any further queries, you can just add that in the comment doubts and I will try to answer them as soon as possible.